What's going on, everyone? It's your girl Risha. I'm back with another video. Okay, so we finally have the front driver fender in for the Knox. I picked it up this morning. I actually went to pick it up when I was supposed to, but they told me that it still hadn't arrived. It was still on the truck. And then the lady, she knew that I wanted the actual silver color, and she said I guess they found something wrong with the other one, so they wind up sending me another one, but it was the wrong color. They were sending a gold. So I told her it was another one that was silver with pinstripes on it, that I would take that one. And this one was the one. It was ready when it was supposed to be ready. So here it is. As you can see, it has pinstripes on it. We're about to get that off. I'm about to use my hair dryer to warm it up and just take it off. So 1 second. I got it over here by my recycle bin. Okay, I have my dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the highest setting and blow it over the pinstripe, and then I'm gonna pull it. Sorry about the noise. See, what happened is that heat is loosening up that adhesion, because it's like a vinyl strip. I wish I had my razor. I couldn't find my razor. I think my husband moved it. I just broke a nail recently. It's making it difficult for me to have one nail that I'm using this. That's what a razor blade would have came in handy. Yes. You're almost halfway there. It's very windy out here today. If you hear that sound, that's the wind blowing. My neighbor's tree across the way, right next door. got it off. Got it all. Okay, look, it still has this residue on it right here. So we're gonna get that off. So what I did was, I know people use lacquer thinner, but I took some vinegar, some white vinegar, and I soaked my paper towel and I rubbed it across the residue where the pinstripe was at, and I just been taking my finger like this and just getting it off while I let some part of it soak on it. It comes off. You may mess your nail up, but you're gonna get it off. See, I had it soaking right there with the paper towel with the vinegar, and it's easier to come off. Yes, baby. And people use the Gooby Gone as well. You use whatever you like to get it off, but I'm gonna do it this way because I don't have any of those. And I remember getting the sticker residue off when I had purchased my dryer. It was sticker residue that's left back on top, and it was really hard to come off. Yes. Yes. And I soaked the cotton ball with vinegar and set it on there. Came back. I let it set for like 5 minutes. Came back and it wiped clean off. Yeah, it wiped cleaned off. So I decided to use it on here too. See, just about done. Yes. Slip down. I still have the plastic, so it won't mess up or anything. All right. You see, pinstripe is gone. So next, I'm gonna clean this bad boy up. Get all of this off. Get all these little marks out of it, and we're gonna put it back on the Knox. So we finally have the fender. All right, I'll see you guys back next video. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And this is This Chick Details. Stay tuned.